The AIU's Training and Consultation Team, also known as TaC, provides technical assistance and professional development to improve learning outcomes and ensure the effectiveness of special education programs and services. These services are provided free of charge to public schools through subsidized funding through the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, also known as the IDEA. The IDEA requires states to provide these services. In Pennsylvania, TaC teams in each intermediate unit deliver the services in collaboration with the Pennsylvania Training and Technical Assistance Network, also known as PATN. The Bureau of Special Education in the Pennsylvania Department of Education outlines the initiatives and oversees implementation.
Our goal is to really make sure that students have all the supports that they need to participate in the least restrictive environment for them individually.
TaC consultants work with IEP teams and teachers to help them address barriers. TaC offers free professional development through Act 48 workshops and on-site consultation services.
There is always like a twofold piece of what we do, training and consultation. They're succinctly different things. Our training may reach a wider group, where our consultation is specifically at the request of a school district. We have a number of different initiatives that we're charged with supporting behavior, and we also support schools in implementing PBIS, which is a multi-tiered systems framework. We support autism, and we have a lot of training, as well as consultations for both behavior and autism. Our assistive technologies team does a lot of work with IEP teams to identify various means of communication devices, apps, tools, low-tech and high-tech, to ensure that kids have access to the learning. We also have an academic multi-tiered system of support team that focus both on literacy and mathematics.
TaC plays an integral role in carrying out the AIU's mission of serving every learner.
We take requests from administrators, teachers, special ed directors, sometimes superintendents.
TaC consultants help educators implement the evidence-based recommendations and follow-up sessions with coaching and, if necessary, through modeling.
Kind of the process that we take around building the relationship with the educator and really drilling down into what's that going to look like and sound like, and how is it going to impact, and how do we know how it's impacting the student that they're working with. When we're talking about evidence-based practices, we often will share strategies, tools, techniques, methodologies you might use to support a need. So our evidence-based practices are very much aligned to first determining what is the need that the student has, hence the individual, right, in an IEP. And these evidence-based practices are then utilized as part of their instructional programming to ensure that they're making progress.
Our training and consultation team is making an impact on local educators by giving them the knowledge and skills they need to help better serve every learner.